Hi everyone, and this is a review of King One K99 Bluetooth speaker. I bought this on Lazada for only 1,299 pesos. So let's start opening this one and see what's inside. Let's see inside. It's covered in bubble wrap. Okay, let's remove the bubble wrap. And this is what it looks like inside. Ooh, ocean blue. So let us remove the sticker. Let's see inside. Ooh, that's already covered. So here's the unit itself. Inside the box, it says cable inside and instruction. Okay, here. There's the free cable. It has a 3.5 millimeter jack cable and micro USB for charging. It doesn't have any USB adapter, but you can provide it yourself, I think. And it has some instruction inside. So there we go. That's what inside the box. So let's put all of these aside and try to open the unit itself. Ooh, shiny. So here's the unit, the King One K99. It's quite small. It looks bigger in real life, on the picture. So let's open it. Oh, by the way, at the back you can see there's a micro US micro SD card slot, 3.5 millimeter jack, and a micro USB for charging. And at the bottom there's a on off button, and now it's on pair mode. So let's try the sound test of this unit. Still connected, so let's try some song. max volume. Okay. So let's put it aside here because to hear it clearly. At minimum volume. Then let's put it on max volume. So that's the full unboxing and review of King1 K99. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy it.